Hi guys, welcome to video 2. Okay, today we're going to be looking in our pupils books at page 57. So this page here, number 57, with our hydra, this animal here. Okay, so what I want you to do is see what you remember about our sirens and our mythical creatures, because the hydra is another mythical creature. So it asks you, where did they live? Can you remember where they lived? Look back, find where they lived. What did they look like? Do you remember? Look at the picture. What did they look like? And what did they do? Do you remember? Look back. What did they do? So where did they live? They lived on a rocky island in the middle of the sea. What did they look like? They were part woman and part bird. And what did they do? They sang beautiful songs. So number 2 is asking, do you know of any other mythical creatures? Maybe you can write a list of other mythical creatures. So you can start your list with sirens. We are looking at another mythical creature, the hydra. What other mythical creatures can you write down? I want you to try and think of 3 more, which gives us 5 on our list, okay? After you've done that, we're going to look at number 3. So we are going to read and listen. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to read and you're going to listen. Then after, you read again, okay? So, the hydra. The hydra was an enormous poisonous snake. It looked like a dragon. The hydra lived in a swamp and ate people from the village and their cows. It was 9 meters tall. It had 4 legs. It had 9 heads and 18 terrible eyes. It could grow new heads too. The hydra's claws and breath were poisonous. Now it's time for you to read the text again. Okay, so we're going to go to our activity books in a moment, but first I want you to look at the orange box at the bottom of page 57, so the same page, but this orange box here gives us tips for writing. So where do we use an apostrophe for showing possession? So we have the hydras with our apostrophe between the A and the S. That shows the hydra's claws. The claws belong to the hydra. They are the hydra's claws. So we have the sirens. Our apostrophe is after the S. This shows when something belongs to more than one person. So there was not one siren, there were lots. So the hydra's claws, one hydra, its claws. The sirens, island, lots of sirens. The island belongs to lots of them. So let's see if we can get our apostrophes, our little markers at the top, in the correct place. So now we need our activity books. And we are opening our activity books onto page 54. It looks like this. Okay? So, what I want you to do is exercises 1 and 2. So number 1 here is making short notes. So just a little bit of information. You are going to invent a mythical creature, whatever you want. You can call it whatever you want. So first you need to put a name, whatever you want to call it. What does it look like? Is it big? Is it small? Does it have scales? What does it eat? Where does it live? How big is it? What has it got? Tail, claws, wing, beak. You can write others. And other interesting information. Does it breathe fire? Okay? When you have all your notes, little written pieces, we're then going to tell a whole story about it, a fact file. So use your notes to write about your mythical creature. So you need your title, whatever you've called it, and then fill in, and there are some prompts. Write all about your creature. And then when you've done that, in this box here, I want you to draw it. Okay? So, those are your activities for today, and I shall see you in video 3. Okay, bye!